Welcome to day 11 of your May Reset Challenge. Woke up feeling heavy through your spine, like your body is dragging behind your thoughts? Let's reconnect the chain, hamstrings, glutes, spine, and set your system back online. Let's hit the mat. When the back line is tight, everything gets thrown off. Posture, power, even breath. Downward dog starts the reversal. Hands shoulder width apart, feet hip width. Press your chest towards your thighs, keep your knees soft and heels reaching toward the floor. Breathe deep into your back. You can feel length in the spine, calves, hamstrings, a full body wake up. This stretch opens the entire posterior chain from neck to heel. I promise it shifts fatigue into flow. Next, we're lowering into the spine, but keeping that length. Can you press through your fingertips and reach your tailbone 1 inch higher? Are you breathing into the stretch or bracing against it? That just unlocked your back. Now let's strengthen your center line. When you've been curled forward all night, Cobra is the first deep breath your spine remembers. Lie on your stomach, hands under shoulders, press through your palms and lift your chest. Keep your elbows soft and shoulders relaxed. Don't force the back bend, let it rise naturally. You're going to feel a gentle extension in your lower spine, stretch across the abs and chest. This reverses overnight compression and gives your nervous system a green light. You'll stand taller instantly. Spinal extension like this helps regulate digestion and balance hormones. Hold your Cobra, just 5 more seconds. Breathe into the ribs. Are you lifting from your spine or pushing from your arms? That just opened your core. Now let's lengthen one leg at a time. We isolate now, hamstring by hamstring, hip by hip. Asymmetry shows up here, and we fix it. From downward dog, lift your right leg toward the sky. Keep hip square or slightly open. Press your left heel down, switch legs after 30 seconds. You're gonna feel a stretch through the lifted legs hip and the grounded legs calf. Core engagement 2. This stretch boosts single leg mobility and reveals tightness you didn't know you had. I promise, you'll feel the difference when you walk today. We're headed to the glutes next, the deep ones that don't let go easily. Flex your lifted foot. Reach through the heel, hold for 5. Which leg feels tighter? That's your insight for today. That just cleared your stride. Now let's open the base. This stretch targets exact muscles that tighten from sitting too much. Piriformis, glutes, deep rotators. Lie on your back, cross your right ankle over your left knee, thread your hands behind the left thigh and gently pull in. Switch sides at 30 seconds. You're going to feel a deep release in the outer hip and glute. This clears out hip tension that affects posture, stride, and even lower back pain. You'll move freer today, guaranteed. Tight glutes can lead to poor posture and even headaches. Pull the thigh 1 inch closer without tension in the neck. Are you letting the hip release or fighting it with tension? That just resets your hips. Now let's hug the body back into center. We close with grounding. This stretch brings the spine back into itself and settles the nervous system. Lie on your back or sit tall. Hug your right knee in towards your chest. Keep your left leg long. Switch after 30 seconds. You can feel a stretch in the glute and lower back, a settling of the breath. This gives closure to your spine and hips, a quiet reset to finish your reset. You've opened, lengthened, and balanced the whole chain. Hold the stillness as long as you need. Hug in tighter. Can you stay soft in your breath? 5 more seconds. Are you resisting into the mat or still resisting the release? That just sealed your recovery. But tension doesn't just live in your muscles and joints, it lives in your mind, it shows up in your habits. It drains your energy even when you sleep 8 hours. When you're burned out, stuck in survival mode, or striving without rest, you don't need a harder plan. You need a reset that nourishes your body, clears your mind, and centers your spirit. That's what the 3-day reset is built for. Daily straight flows that reconnect you to your body, scripts plus mindset shifts to clear the mental fog, a Bible-based nutrition guide that fuels energy without obsession. It's your full body rhythm reboot, rooted in truth, not trends. Tap the link in the description or pin comment to start your free 3-day reset now. Because the goal isn't just progress, it's peace that lasts.